Good evening. Happy Thursday. How is everyone doing today? We are fully prepared. We got our chai latte. We have alternative beverages for when the chai latte inevitably runs out. We are showing the stream in all the chats. Welcome, 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 everybody. Welcome. Tomorrow is Friday. It's gonna be a wonderful, wonderful time, guys. We are hemorrhaging subscribers. We have so many subscribers. I think we gained 8 yesterday. I don't know. Yesterday was crazy. We've been on a 10% win streak every single day for subs. Give yourselves a hand. You guys are legends. The face reveal goal option 1, we are at 118 subscribers, which is 20% of the 600 subscriber goal. The alternative face reveal goal option 2, we have 110 US dollars out of a $500 goal. We are 22% of the way for face reveal option 2. Let me get those off the screen. You guys are kicking ass on the subs, though. Keep it up. It's very exciting. Moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks great. Today was my guess for the upper trendline breakout. I believe we technically got it yesterday, so my guess was wrong. We'll see where we go. Fahid, what's going on, Fahid? Yo! Happy Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. It's gonna be a good time. The GPU is en route and allegedly on schedule. I have not turned on my PC yet. I got it all put together. I have to turn it on. I gotta make sure that the motherboard BIOS is up to date for the CPU, and then I gotta install Windows, and then I'll be good to go. So I'm probably gonna do that tonight. Get all my games installed and ready to go, so that way tomorrow when the GPU arrives, I can just plug that shit in, and we can play off the grid. It's gonna be a fun time. I'm excited. I'm super excited. Guys, the only thing pumping today for some reason is SNEC. SNEC is going crazy. We're going to look at some meme coins later. But Bitcoin looks great. The bull fractal is winning. The bear fractal is still in shambles. We're going to leave it on there just to see how humiliating it is for the bears. How's everyone doing today? Bitcoin looks great. Let's go down to the lower time frame, 4 hour. Looks wonderful, guys. We got bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, hopefully bullish engulfing on this one. We got 46 minutes until the daily close. Total 3. Wow. I'm gonna freak out, guys. If this plays out the exact way that I drew it, like I said it yesterday, I'm gonna buy a lottery ticket. Because this is crazy. What are the odds? There's no way. I can just look at, I don't know. I'm freaking out. I've never believed in TA to this extent, but it's starting to kind of blow my mind. I'm being made a believer. My reluctant technical analysis is turning me into a technical analyst. This is crazy. Check out the previous live streams if you guys don't believe me. This line has been on this chart for like 4 days. We drew it like a couple of days ago, and I was like, I don't think it's going to do that because we had this big wick, and I was like, I'll leave it on there anyways. And it's following that almost exactly. This is insane. It's kind of blowing my mind. Hey, excuse me while I freak out about it. ETH is looking good. Watch ETH do the same thing that I drew on here too. I'm going to freak out, guys. I'm going to freak out. This one is over the course of a couple of days. Like a week, pretty much. This is going to be sweet. If this plays out, somebody better give me an award or something. Even if it's just a participation trophy. I'm not gonna risk my luck at drawing anymore. Because right now, if I get a 100% win ratio by drawing 2 patterns, I'm gonna freak out. Soul. We got head and shoulders on the RSI, which is good. Looking for a pullback on that. If that plays out. There was an inverse head and shoulders. It looks like we got rejected on that. So Sol might be due for a pullback. We had an inverse head and shoulders here. It got rejected. So hopefully, if it comes down, I'm not going to leave this on there. It's not a longer term prediction, so calm down, guys. Hopefully it just comes down and retests this and continues up and can break above that neckline. ADA. Yeah. I would like to see ADA hold this. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna get a little more upset than usual. Dave, what's going on, Dave? Dave, check it out. I don't know if you're here, Dave. I'm freaking out right now. Total 3 is following my stupid line. Following my stupid line that I drew the other day. And so is ETH. Or ETH looks like it wants to. And this is literally just based on me seeing stuff play out before. And I'm like, oh, I bet you it's going to do this. And it's starting to do that. And I'm kind of freaking out about it. I'm very excited. Guys, SNEC is up 7.91%. I don't know what they're doing or what they've done, but this is exciting to see. It's about damn time. SWI is just chilling. Nothing really crazy to report on SWI. Number go up. Longer term number go up. We like to see that. C, kind of the same thing. Fahid pointed out that C kind of does what SWI does. It just lags, and that's kind of what's happened. Yeah. C, I guess, is just a more flat version of SWI. CAS. I really want to see CAS hold this line. Is this our longer term trend line? Yes, it is. I need to see CAS hold this, otherwise I'm losing all hope for it. And that's a bearish sentiment. Don't sell your bags because I said that, guys. I'm not right 100% of the time. About 90. So the 10% that I'm wrong, though, I'm usually pretty fucking wrong. Like if I'm wrong only 10% of the time, but that 10% is the bull market like God candles, then that's awful. That's like the worst thing to be wrong about. Chainlink looks fine. I again would like to see it hold this longer term trend line. I guess longer term in quotes. It's only hit twice, 4 times, so not that big of a deal, but it does exist. Polkadot's meh. It's kind of sitting at bear market lows. I've pointed this out 1,000 times too. This potential inverse head and shoulders on Polkadot. Possible enormous gains out of that. And if you zoom in as well, it does look like it has a potential here for the same setup. Just a little more micro. But I'd like to see Polkadot hold some kind of structure. Because right now it's just bare all day long for Polkadot, which makes me sad. I like the ecosystem. He said like and subscribe, guys. We got 5 people watching. Happy Thursday. Thanks for tuning in. Doge, again. We've been watching all of these things with these trend lines. Doge came up and broke above that trend line out of nowhere. So I'm hoping, we got fingers crossed, all the other alts do the same exact thing. They had these trend lines from previous price action. Hopefully all of these things just do that, because that would be sick. That would be really cool to see. That would make me a lot more hopeful. I really want to see Polygon do that too. Polygon's kind of taking a doo-doo. Near looks good. I'm not alarmed by Near at all. Near has been a really, really, really good performer this market so far. It was at $1. Look at this thing. This thing was at $1 last year. If you would have bought this 1 year ago, you'd be up 4.7x already. That's impressive. So they're doing things. I think Near has the potential to go pretty high this bull market. Chili's out of nowhere just started flying. Hoffs is pretty happy about this, I'm sure. It looks good. That bearish engulfing is a little scary, but... And there is no bearish div. Although it looks like it wanted to for a minute. It did not, though. So that looks good. There might even be bullish div. If I go down to the 4-hour... Yep, look at that. There's bullish div on Chili's. Somebody go tell Hoffs. Hoffs, emergency. Chili's has bullish div. He's going to go dump his life savings into it. Sell all of his records or something. PHB. This is all these points of interest. Super trade zones. Bath showed us this. And CFX. Both of them great for trading. DXY keeps going up. Silver doing a whole lot of nothing. NASDAQ chilling near all-time highs. S&P, Fractal just chilling at all-time highs as well. The Fractal looks good. We did scoot the Fractal. I believe it was originally like here-ish. So we did scoot it to kind of correlate with the price action a little bit better. We'll see. We'll see if we hit our target by January. Dave said, I put 200 in a random meme I saw on ETH trending today. Already up 100%. Sannon. Let's go look at Sannon for Dave. Dave, that's fucking awesome. We love to see people making money. That's the way it should be. Random memes are the way to go. Sannon. What is it? Just a copy of Shiba? Hell yeah. 200%. That's fucking amazing. $1.7 million market cap. Love to see it. Let's do some TA on this meme coin. I like doing meme coin TA. Somebody just took out 7 grand. Very nice. And they ate that. Like this is nothing. That's fucking awesome. Okay. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, there's nothing. There's nothing for me to look at. It's too new. There's no bearish div, there's no bullish div, but there's no bearish div either. But if this candle does go higher, it does look like there will be bearish div. So, but again, it's a meme coin. You're up 100%. I would just be happy with that. It's very new. It hasn't rugged. That's sick. Hell yeah, Dave. Thanks for showing us that. Fractal looks good. Bitcoin looks good. Let's see what the daily close brings. Right now, I like I said yesterday, we're probably going to see this dance around on this line for a couple of days. And the bull fractal was calling for a pullback. So, we'll see. Byron, what's going on, Byron? Happy Thursday. How you doing? Guys, we're going to look at some articles. We're going to get through as many articles as we can before the daily close. Try and get through all of them. The articles do not have a night mode, so shield your eyes. This is your warning. If you have any kind of eye sensitivity, you've been warned. Because this shit's bright. FBI arrests hacker behind SEC fake Bitcoin ETF approval. This is hilarious. I feel like they didn't get hacked. Like, call me a conspiracy theorist. I'm still of the belief. Byron said happy Friday. Is it Friday for you, Byron? Damn you. Tomorrow's Friday for us. But that's equally as exciting. Happy Friday. I'm still of the belief, and call me a conspiracy theorist, I'm still of the belief that Gary or whoever's in charge of the SEC's Twitter tried to schedule a tweet and accidentally sent it out right away. And then they were like, oh shit, uh-oh. Now we have to find somebody to arrest and pretend that they hacked us. So they found the next best thing. They're probably somebody who's probably getting in trouble for like wire fraud or something crazy. And they were like, okay, we'll let you off with only 3 months instead of the 12 years that you're supposed to get. We'll give you 3 months if you claim that you hacked the SEC's Twitter page. And they're probably like, fucking done, deal, let's go. That's my conspiracy for the day. A 25-year-old man from Athens, Alabama. Yeah, there's no one in Athens, Alabama's hacking the SEC's Twitter page. Get the fuck out of here. Arrested by the FBI. Yeah, I'm calling BS. Sorry, I don't believe you. Gary Gensler, what a chode. I hate this man. I guess hate's strong. I thoroughly dislike this man. Although, Dave said, I got a 3x from Clouch yesterday. Had a bit of FOMO after selling, but glad I did now. Hell yeah. Dude, we were watching Klaus. We were cheering for you, Dave. That's pretty sick. We added it to the watch list, I believe. There's speculation going around, and I do thoroughly enjoy this concept that Gary is kind of a plant for the crypto industry. And he's doing all of this really shitty enforcement by, or regulation by enforcement, just to kind of prove that crypto isn't bad and to get it all out of the way right away. That way, like, he's kind of setting the groundwork for crypto to succeed later by being an asshole now as the chairman of the SEC. I don't know if I believe that, but there is footage of him like teaching about cryptocurrency, talking about how great it was in the past. So I don't know. I like that idea, and I would love to see a Netflix documentary about it. Next article. The meme coin supercycle theory is converting crypto unbelievers. The meme coin supercycle theory has spread quickly, convincing many of the potential for big profits. Investor and meme coin analyst Murad Mahmudov. Meme coin supercycle theory has gained traction among traders. The theory, in short, states that a confluence of factors will create an essentially unending supercycle for meme-centric cryptocurrencies. But unlike other crypto market narratives with complex technical explanations and mechanics, meme coins appear to rely solely on community, emotion, and the promise of wealth. That's not true. Despite the lack of meme coin fundamentals, traders are drawn to the sense of camaraderie and promise of rapid gains. It's the sense of camaraderie. There's no promise of gains. The point is that you're going into it knowing that you could lose all of your money. Whereas all these other coins are like, whoa, invest in the future. We're going to make free internet and cure cancer. And then they don't do that. And then everyone sells because it peters out and it sucks. So instead of being lied to you, like lied to your face, the meme coins are upfront. They're like, listen, this is a fucking coin. It's with a picture of a dog. It's a cute fucking dog. That's it. And everyone's like, fuck yeah, I like cute dogs. And they buy that shit. That's my rant for the day. I love meme coins. I'm a believer. Meme coin investors are looking for 24-hour or less returns, whereas typical venture capital firm has a 7-year outlook. Whoever said this is a douchebag. Basil Ismail, CEO of investment analytic platform Block Circle Jerk, attributes to the rise of meme coins to the increasing maturity. What? Stating that many traders have experienced at least one market cycle, gaining valuable lessons from their experiences. Nearly all of the tech in crypto is the smokescreen designed to sell you a token that does nothing. Okay, so this guy's a fucking genius. Yeah, it's true. It's so true. Ismail believes most utility token valuations stem from their meme component, estimating that around 70% of a utility token's value is driven by speculation. Right now, traders are acting like sheep. They're just shifting their attention and their capital towards memes. How is that sheep? They're doing what they want. They're not investing in your stupid, shitty 7-year fucking plan. I don't know. I'm all for memes. I think whoever's being pissy about them just sucks at trading. Yes, building decentralized communities. See? All right, let me read the chat really quick, guys. Jazz said, hey fam, JJ's on the TV again. I'm working this time, so it's okay. Party away. I'm not going to yell. I was going to yell. I'm not going to do it, though. Let's not forget to hit the like button, guys. Let's help JJ grow the stream. Let's get 5% more members. Dave said, I love memes too. Jazz said, congrats, Dave. Fahid said, can't wait for the memes session. Hoff said, I sent Super Chat money. Chili's now. What's Super Chat money? Do I have to check my shit? Hoffs wants to look at Chili's. Let me check. Let me confirm the donation. Hoffs, where'd you send it? Cashapp? I think you sent it on Cashapp. Is this item still available? Loading. God damn it, guys. I was going to open the stream today with news music. I totally forgot. I built a whole playlist. I was super pumped about it. Why is this taking so long? Oh, here we go. We got Super Chat money from Hoffs. Thank you very much, Hoffs, for support of a great job. Appreciate you, Hoffs. Let's go look at Chili's. We talked about it earlier. It's pumping. Hoffs is happy. I did draw a drawing, and Chili's said, fuck you, JJ. You're not right all the time. And it just went up. So it took this, and it just kind of straightened it out. So I was right in the direction. I was just wrong about when. Because it did technically do this. Look at that. I was kind of right. You can always find a way to move the goalposts, guys. Don't ever let somebody tell you that you were wrong. Let's see really quick. He said Chili's an OG. I have no idea what happened to it now. Jazz said, it's Clint. Clint sucks at trading. That's so mean. Dave said, smashed it. Hawk said, I should have said that. So yeah, Chili's. Chili's looks amazing. Hops, you got bullish div. We did point that out earlier too. I'm gonna use your $6 super chat money to reiterate. You got not right there. It's not right there. It's right here. You have bullish div on Chili's. RSI is down. Price is up. That's incredibly bullish, especially on the 4-hour. Every time we see that, it plays out. It plays out fucking great. Good trade opportunity here. Not financial advice. Don't rely solely on my TA. Do your own. Figure it out for yourself. Thank you for your donation. Appreciate you. Hit the like button. We got 11 people watching. Guys, thank you for joining. Happy Thursday. Let's see. Let's look at this a little bit longer. One day. There's nothing alarming yet. Not yet. So, uh-oh. No, okay, you're good. So because the RSI is higher over here with the price action, there is no bearish div yet. So far so good, Hops. You got bullish div on the 4-hour, no bearish div on the daily. It's looking like a good bull season for Chili's. Again, that's probably entirely dependent on Bitcoin. Don't make decisions just based on what I say. I love you. Let's move on. Memecoins Super Cycle, guys. Stripe in talks to acquire stablecoin platform Bridge. Report. Stablecoins pegged to the United States dollar have outpaced Bitcoin as a store of value in developing countries with runaway inflation. Stripe, a payments processing company, which I had to set up, by the way, for my Twitter monetization. Very nice, very seamless. Usually it's a pain in the ass. Stripe was lovely. I believe I actually have the old school Stripe payments processing thing too for when I was doing like computer repair side gigs in the past. Jazz said, hey Knucklebuster. What's up, Knucklebuster? Hops said, thanks JJ. You're welcome, Hops. Thank you. You're a legend. Stripe, a payments processing company, is reportedly in talks to acquire stablecoin platform Bridge, according to unnamed sources familiar with the deal. According to Bloomberg, the deal has not yet been finalized, and either party could still walk away without inking an agreement. The potential acquisition by Stripe comes amid the payment company's planned re-entry into the digital assets sector after a 6-year break from providing crypto payment services. Crypto is back. Stripe will start supporting global stablecoin payments this summer. Let's fucking go. I love that. Transactions instantly settle on chain and automatically convert to fiat. Join the waitlist and watch the demo. Guys, the biggest peeve that I have about fiat is that you have to wait. Now, some of these apps, they'll charge you like a 2% fee for instant transfers, which is nice, but that doesn't always happen. The biggest example I just had, I ordered all the parts to build myself a nice new streaming rig, and one of the parts that I ordered, the only used part that I got was the GPU off eBay. Got a great deal, paid for it, and then the guy messaged me, said it broke, he had to refund me. So that money that I sent him, that he received the second I clicked buy, and I confirmed everything, he received the money immediately. He then refunded it, and I had to wait 3 to 5 business days to get my money back. That's ridiculous. That's not okay. Crypto is the future. Fiat is the past. Even Stripe knows. Stripe literally built their entire existence on fiat payment rails. Now they're moving forward to the future. Don't get left behind, guys. Get into some crypto. I'm not going to tell you what ones, though, so you don't sue me if you lose your ass. Next, Humble issued U.S. patent for blockchain payments technology. The company's CEO described getting blockchain patent in the U.S. as a very challenging process. Blockchain firm Humble recently announced that the United States Patent and Trademark Office formally issued a patent for the company's blockchain technology. That's actually pretty sick. Patent approval, user device, application, digital wallet, currency account, pool account, smart contract. This seems very vague. They got I hope there's more to this. I'm curious to see, I guess, the explanation of this, but the idea that it's patented is very intriguing. While these have been some long years spent getting this patent issued, the length of the process makes it hard for an early stage company to stay afloat during that amount of years. Legal costs at time spent responding. and time spent responding. Okay, so they were just criticizing the patent approval process, but I'm very interested to learn more about this. I don't know anything about. I've never even heard of them, but if they got something patented, that's kind of a big deal. NVIDIA's new open source AI model beats GPT-4o on benchmarks. The new model appears to be a fine-tuned version of Meta's Llama 70B. NVIDIA unceremoniously launched a new artificial intelligence model on October 15th that's purported to outperform state-of-the-art AI systems, including ChatGPT 4o and Claude 3. According to posts on X from NVIDIA AI developer account, the new model, dubbed Llama 3.1 Nemotron 70B Instruct, is a leading model on Imarina AI's chatbot arena. Interesting topic of discussion. Me and Bath were talking the other day about AI, and there's a concept that AI is not going to be this crazy, world-changing, life-altering thing, but it's almost to the point now where it's going to plateau. And we were talking about it, and in my brain I was like, uh-oh, is this the next the dot-com bubble or the real estate bubble? Is there an AI bubble? And because of technology, it's just excelling rapidly towards its end goal, which is kind of going to be what, like, almost identically recognizable from what we have today. Just a concept to throw around out there. Offset, support the channel. It's in the description. Of course, guys. If we reach so we have a $500 goal for face reveal option 2. Let me show you guys really quick, because we're flying through option 1 with a shit ton of subscribers, which I thoroughly appreciate. You guys are kicking ass with the subscribers. We got 118 subscribers, which is 20% of goal option 1. And goal option 2, $110 US, which is 22% of the $500 goal over there. The dollar amount goal is 100 less than the subscriber goal. The reason being, the subscriber goal is a little bit higher because I got to get my watch time up. And it's easy for people to subscribe. All you guys got to do is show the channel. So I lowered the bar a little bit for the donations. But yeah, NVIDIA open source AI model. ChatGPT is kind of meh. I think we all knew that. The dams are open. Spot Bitcoin ETFs harnessed $20 billion after 4th consecutive day of inflows. Cumulative flows into the Spot Bitcoin ETF have exceeded $20 billion following the United States-based products clocking 4 consecutive days of inflows. Spot ETFs have received $20.26 billion in cumulative flows since the products launched in the U.S. on January 11th, according to Farside Investors data. Over the past 4 days alone, around $1.64 billion has inflowed into 11 ETF products from ARK21 Shares, Invesco Galaxy, VanEck, WisdomTree, Fidelity, Valkyrie, BlackRock, Grayscale, Bitwise, Hashstacks, and Franklin Templeton. Notably, on October 16th, the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, saw $393.4 million in daily inflows, the largest amount since July 22nd, when it clocked $526.7 million. Market participants are bullish on the inflows figure. A few analysts are still skeptical. Of course they are. Spot Bitcoin ETFs breaking $20 billion in cumulative flows follows Bitcoin's price surpassing the critical $65,000 price level, a milestone market participants have been anticipating since it dipped below the level on September 30th. Current trading activity around 68.4K is linked to earlier volatility from January 29th when prices dropped to 49K just 5 days later. So, number go up, guys. Let's go check out Bitcoin. We are done with our articles for the day. Bitcoin is still green. We are looking at 20 minutes till the daily close. How we doing? We got 5 people watching, guys. Hit that like button on your way in. Appreciate you for being here. Articles are done. We got some memes to look at. We're going to do the meme coin session. We got 20 minutes. Let's look at some meme coins. Show you guys meme coins in the chat. We got 119 subscribers now, guys. We're about to break 120, which is a 20% increase in 2 days. That's pretty sick. Really quick, let's go through our meme coin portfolio. We like Popo. Popo is just chilling. We took profit around $4 million market cap. It's come back down to $2 million, establishing a base. We'll keep an eye on it. We might put some more money into it because it's a fun, active community on Twitter. Dave said maybe add a ETH address in the description. Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that right now, actually. We'll do it live. Fuck it, we'll do it live. ETH address in the description, really quick. I'm gonna use my Phantom wallet because I've been thoroughly enjoying it. Copy. I think I'm allowed to show you guys this. If not, then please don't please don't take over my channel. That'd be pretty funny. Okay, can I edit it? Okay, I gotta go to manage videos. I gotta go to live. I can. Okay, I'm gonna go to details. So you guys are probably gonna have to refresh. I would give it like 5 or 6 minutes. There you go. All right, save. And that should be updated. That's a good idea. I mean, we're a crypto channel, so it makes sense. So yeah, Popo looks good. We sold at $4 million market cap. We made quite a decent chunk of money off of Popo. The next one, Dark Magician Girl, XD used car. Let's go look at Klaus for Dave. PP we bought yesterday. Somebody showed it to us. We'll look at a Poo for Fahid. Flying Spaghetti Monster because they're charitable. Splo. This is Clint's Coin Boomer. Cocaine, Kekek, Pelf. Okay, so tomorrow we're probably gonna do our ETH DCA for the meme coins. Dark Magician Girl's pulling back, 66%. We had a target of 15. It did hit that target. I don't know how quick or how long it spent up there, but it did hit that target. But we sold beforehand. We didn't want to get greedy. We didn't want to wait, so it came up here, and we sold around 12:38. Jazz said, hit those likes. Mr. Roberts said, JJ, you popped up in my feed again. I'm liking the commentary, dude. Keep it up. Hello, Fahid. Mr. Roberts, appreciate you. Hit the like button on your way in. We're looking at meme coins. If you got a meme coin you want to show, we'll take a look at it. Otherwise, thank you for being here. I appreciate you, and happy Thursday. Dark Magician Girl looks great. Pulling back. We're totally fine with that. Still crazy low market cap. I do think it got over 1 million when it went up here. But it's pulling back now. That's okay. It triggers nostalgia for me. I'm a Yu-Gi-Oh nerd from my middle school days. I will say I'm going to use this opportunity to brag again. I have this in the closet behind me in my office as we speak. Maybe when I do the face reveal, maybe I'll wear it for the face reveal. I unironically own this thing from the fucking show. And I have no shame. It's cool as fuck. If you think otherwise, you're just wrong. I don't know what to tell you. I have the original too. I don't have no reissued BS that they have now. $112, dude. Maybe I should sell this. It lights up and shit. You can like keep track of your score. Anyways, I'm sorry. I'm nerding out, guys. Pop said, hey to any new people. Fahid said, hey, Robbers. I pivoted at a loss from a Poo and scalped for a goat. Made my losses and took a little extra. Hell yeah, Fahid. That's all that matters. As long as you came out on top, we're happy. Dark Magician Girl. Looking for a pullback. Might get back in. I think we got like $5 moon bag still sitting in this. XD RAR. We did ape into this the other day. It is also another nostalgia-inducing one. But it is got a head and shoulders right here. So we'll keep an eye out on that. That there's bullish div though. RSI is going down. Yeah, there is bullish div, like longer term bullish div. Look at that. And this is on the 4-hour. So we'll see if that plays out. Again, it's a meme coin. Don't put all your money on this because it's bullish div. Somebody put $1,100 in that. That's pretty crazy. Chat still looks good. We got 119 subs. Appreciate you guys. It's pretty sick. I gotta update the thingy later. I won't update it every single subscriber. I'll update it like every 2 or 3 at least, unless you guys start going crazy. Used cars getting a little pullback. It's still above where we bought, but we're gonna hold on to it. Wow, somebody put 2240. This is a $7.5 million market cap. This one has been around for a little while. I think since December of 2023. So December last year. Look at that, somebody's loading up. It's a classic. They got funny memes on Twitter. They got a Telegram. They have a website. I didn't even know they had a website. They got a website. The website looks sick. Come on. There's funny videos and shit. This has got to be like a classic meme or something. Used car salesman in the wild. It's ridiculous. We like funny memes, guys. Funny memes. Funny memes make money. And they are memes. They're not meant to be taken seriously. If you take them seriously, you're doing it wrong. But that's the update on used car. I mean, if it pulls back enough, we'll probably load up, honestly. Klaus. This is Dave said he made quite a bit of money on this. We looked at it back here for him. If we would have bought when he brought it up, we could have made, right now, 150%. Max at one point, 283%. Hell of a trade, Dave. Thank you for bringing this to our attention. We are going to keep an eye on it. It is at a $34.1 million market cap. If it gets a decent enough pullback, we might buy some when we buy our ETH memes tomorrow. We'll see how it plays out. We'll see what happens. PP. PP's taking a little bit of a poo-poo. But that's okay. We did ape into it, and it went up. Let's see if it's up from our buy. I don't think it is. Oh, it is. We're up 22 cents. So it is still up, and it looks like it wants to try and go back up again. It is a crazy small market cap. People are taking profit. That happens. People are also just apparently throwing $600 into it, which is kind of crazy. But hey, I mean, they got the money. They want to play. Let's play. We like PP. No homo. Apu. Apu's going up. This is 15 minutes. Let's go to the 4 hour. Wow. Apu has a 17% candle. Damn. Fahid. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you have to see it this way. I'm sorry it has to be this way. I'm sorry you have to find out this way. Apu has bullish div. Quite a bit of bullish div. We got bullish div and Apu. Damn. So, the second that this went down, I mean, there's bullish div here. I would have bought here. And then number go up since then. So we'll have to try to implement the bullish div trades and see if we can make some money with that, because it seems like it's playing out quite often, especially when it's on the 4 hour time frame. Byron said FOMO. Someone's been buying. We'll take a look at FOMO. Fahid said I pivoted. Okay, yeah, we read that already. Fahid said, damn it, I missed that pump, lol. Even Moo Dang pumped. Let's go look at Moo Dang really quick, and then we'll look at FOMO. Byron, there's a different FOMO as well. Moo Dang is up 14.24. Damn. What, 15? Yeah, Moo Dang, even the volume's spiking. It's nice to see. Moo Dang is very adorable. Very memeable. This will probably be one of those that fizzle out and come back quite frequently. $100 million market cap is quite impressive. Alright, let's look at FOMO. See if it pops up. It is on Matic. It's not Avigachi. Horse Guy FOMO. There's a lot of FOMOs. Here we go. Horse Guy AI. Quick swap. I think that's the only one. Yeah, someone has been buying. Damn. Let's get the RSI pulled up. Oh, wrong one. What the fuck is this one? FOMO. I don't know. Let's go to the 4 hour. I mean, this is just a result of somebody buying. I guess I want to say there's bullish div, but it looks like the price is flat here, or even going up. So it's just kind of doing its thing. Look at this. There's a little Loch Ness monster in here. Little Loch Ness monster in the RSI. He's kind of cute. Could even be a horse guy. Oh shit. We got horse guy pattern on the RSI on horse guy. But yeah, this thing, market cap is insanely low. Exercise caution to any new viewers. Exercise caution with this. The market cap is crazy low. This is a project that we kind of worked on as a community in the past. And it kind of just got burnt out, I guess I would call it. Some shit went down, like it does apparently with every meme coin. It became a community takeover, and the community was kind of like, eh. So, it is what it is. But it is a fun one. The website's still up. Twitter's still up. Twitter's verified. The Telegram does not work anymore. We got kicked off of Telegram for some reason. But yeah. It is listed on a DEX as well. Or, I'm sorry, a SEX. It is listed on a centralized exchange that has DEX in the name for some reason. Pop said I never sold. I don't think anybody's. There was a handful of people that were selling that we called out. And they were like, I'm not selling. If you're selling, just say you're selling. Don't fucking lie. That's pretty dumb. But we're not going to talk about it. It's over. Whatever. Somebody's buying. Let them have fun with it. Church of Flying Spaghetti Monster. This thing went up. Pulling back. Look at the RSI. RSI looks good. Nothing alarming. If it comes down anymore, there might actually be some bullish div. Okay, it's getting close. I want to see the RSI come down a little bit more before I call it. But it's very, very close. Right now the price is up. Price is up. RSI we want to see this down before I make any determinations on divergence. Is that blue line our buy? We made some money on this like a week ago. Has it been a week? Taken profit since then. We gotta reallocate our bags, guys. We're just kind of sitting out. We took a profits and we're happy with it now. And sold's going down. What the hell? Is it? Where's? Dang it. Luckily they have stable coins, but we're down 5%. We lost $5 holding on to our soul. Pop said when DK Dev. Mr. Robert said, LOL, I published a Loch Ness Monster chart for Tesla a few weeks ago. Love Nessie. Hell yeah. Mr. Roberts, we like cryptids here. It is JJ's Cryptic Corner. We do cover crypto. I narrate scary stories sometimes. We're going to be getting into conspiracies. We're probably going to react to creepy TikToks. And either tomorrow or Saturday, we are going to be gaming. We already have a couple of gaming live streams, but we enjoy video games. Mostly spooky games, but either tomorrow or Saturday, whichever one, we are going to be playing Off the Grid, which is the game based on a Avalanche sidechain. So it is a crypto based. It's like the first AAA blockchain game. So we're hyped up about it. If you're available, definitely recommend coming out. Fahid said, did we check GOAT? Let's go check GOAT for Fahid. Whoa. Why don't I have two TradingView charts open? It's kind of funny. Bitcoin dominance is going crazy. Ben Cowan is tripping. Let's get GOAT. GOAT. Goatius Maximus. $300 million market cap. Ooh. Okay, so I drew these lines showing that it was kind of doing this parabolic thing. This parabolic curve thing. But it's not anymore, which is interesting. And again, this is meme coin, so, you know, take my TA with a grain of salt. There's bullish div everywhere, all the time on this thing. We'll clear the chart. We'll zoom in. Let's go to the 4 hour. Zoom out a little bit for a minute. The 4 hour has Bullish div right here. Price going up. When you measure divergence, according to Google, when you measure divergence, you do not include the wicks. You only measure the candle body. Bullish div right here on GOAT. Probably fully expecting this RSI to come tap this, but just speculating. Full speculation. Jazz said, yay, conspiracy and creepy stuff. I like it here now. But he said, when UFO? Jazz, we're definitely going to do a conspiracy live stream because I eat that shit up. I love it. Damn, people are dropping like several $1,000s. It's got a $300 million market cap. Woo! Beefy goat. I like it they changed this because this was like some AI picture. It kind of pissed me off. But this is much better. Very cool. Goat is not in our watch list. I feel like it's not degen enough for me. Once it gets over like $200 million market cap, I'm kind of like meh. Which sucks because stuff still, you know, stuff keeps going. It's just kind of how my brain works. I can't change my brain, guys. Vahid said, when UFO? I have a UFO video on my YouTube. It's actually one of my more popular videos. Church of Flying Spaghetti Monster, waiting on that bullish div here. It's close. Splo, guys. Splo is just kind of dancing around our entry, which is fine. Yesterday it came back above it. Today it came back below. Now it's just chilling. Let's see. This is a SWE meme, which is why we're so, like, we have such high conviction on it. There is, I guess, is that, can you measure divergence in volume? That's kind of weird. I never thought about that. Jad said, woohoo, right up my alley. They aren't even conspiracy theories anymore. They're becoming conspiracy facts. Isn't that crazy? And everyone's like, people are freaking out about it, and then I'm sitting around and I'm like, I've known about this for like 10 years. And they either think you're full of shit or they realize that you weren't crazy the whole time, and that makes them idiots. It's quite funny. It's a fun time. The 4 hour. Okay, so we do have enough chart data for the 4 hour. Look at this. We got bullish div on Splo. Huge bullish div. Ooh. We're super bullish on Splo. It's only at a $1.7 million market cap. I'm fully expecting, do not trade on this information. This is JJ being a degenerate. You got to make your own decision. It is in a head and shoulders right now, so it could come down. It could completely rug. It's a meme coin. But I am fully expecting this to go to a $20 million market cap minimum. Simply because of the fact that it is a SWE meme coin. And meme coins on SWE are very young. They're all in their infancy. Sudang, $106 million. Whatever the Cetus is, $88 million. Deep, $80 million. Bat Cats, $42 million. FUD, $35 million. NavX, $33 million. Blub, $33 million. AAA Cat, $9.2 million. Like, SWE man has $3.4 million. There's no reason Splo can't get to a $20 million market cap. He's fucking adorable. Forgive me while I shill my bags for a moment. Look at this art, guys. This is so cute. It's over. We're back. We're so back. It's over. I don't know. I love this guy. I think they're working on NFTs. I'm totally going to throw my money away at one. It's a fun time. Very cool. Look at it. This one's probably super duper rare. Splo and Frog. We like Frog. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a sucker for good art. I'm a sucker for a good meme. And Splo fulfills both of those. Checks both those boxes. Do you guys got any memes you want us to look at? JJsCrypticCorner Compound is good. Let's go take a look at Compound for JJsCrypticCorner. Is this it? It's comp, right? I believe this is a DeFi lending protocol. Let's see. Let's see what we see. Around the 4 hour. It's close. There's no bearish divergence. But the bullish, if there is bullish divergence, it's very faint. I don't think that there is, though. It looks like it wants to. It's just kind of sideways, but it's in an uptrend. Like there's a very clear trend here. Even better, there's a more recent trend here. So I would definitely expect this to continue to the upside. I'm not sure what the market cap is, but it is a popular DeFi lending protocol. It dropped a lot, and people are buying. That's what you always want to see. You always want to see people showing up. Bulls show up to eventually outweigh the bears. Daily looks good. There's bullish div on this daily. Price going up. When you measure divergence, you do not look at the wicks. You measure the closed candle bodies. Price is going up. RSI is going down. It is faint, but it is there. See that? Yep. So there's faint bullish div right there, which is good. 3 point. So there's a 4% candle. I don't know at what extent do you say the bullish div played out. You know, that's for your own discretion. But there was a head and shoulders here that did invalidate with this pump. So I would fully expect to just see it keep going up that trend. Looks like the liquidity is just repeating over and over again. So I would expect it to follow that trend until it breaks the upside with some conviction. But it looks good. And I feel like DeFi lending is a sleeping giant. Especially people are gonna be able to put their money away and then borrow against it without having to risk like a bank collapse or a ridiculous interest rate or a credit score or any BS like that. I like DeFi lending. Dude, do you have a Discord? I would love to talk about crypto. It's a good crypto. JJsCrypticCorner. Check out the description. We have a Discord link in the description. It is technically not my Discord. It's a community that I come from. But all of the viewers that are here are from that Discord. We're all like one big crypto family. You're welcome to join. Come talk about crypto. Shoot the shit. It's a fun time. It's very chill. Join the family. Also, hit the like button. Thank you guys for being here. We got the daily close. I totally forgot about the daily close, guys. I forgot about it for a whole 5 minutes. So, that's my bad. But it was kind of not eventful. The candle did close red, but there's a larger wick to the downside than to the upside. So, I'm still pretty happy about it. And honestly, without touching our blue line, it does look like we closed above it. Yeah. It looks like we got right above it at the candle close, and we closed right above it. If I had to guess, because it's not a bullish engulfing candle, it's probably just going to fill up more. And then I guess maybe technically that counts as the Thursday breakout. If this is the last time we touch that blue trend line, then my guess might be correct, which would be pretty exciting again. Subbed, appreciate you, Juice Chucks. Does that put us at 120? Because that's pretty significant. We got 20% increase in subscribers in the last 2 days. Thank you guys. You guys are legends. I appreciate you for real. But yeah, definitely join the Discord. There's a lot of good minds in there to pick to talk about crypto. Bath is a really good one to listen to when he says stuff. Anime shows up. He's a really good one to listen to when he shows up. Pretty much everyone. Literally everyone in there. Good ideas all around. It's a community of a bunch of great like-minded people. How much should I invest in Bitcoin? I don't want to spend lots. That's up to you. It all depends on your risk tolerance. I would look at it from a percentage standpoint. What percentage of your money are you comfortable with investing? And then Bitcoin, what percentage should Bitcoin be? And then if you're comfortable with altcoins, you got to kind of like plan it out. It's not something that you can decide on a whim just because somebody told you something. You know, it's an investment, and an investment should be taken seriously. So you should take your time and figure out what you want to do. But if you want some good insight, definitely join the Discord and ask the people there. And you know, everyone's more than willing to help out for sure, especially with questions like that. Like, we joke around and mess around and kind of bust each other's balls a lot, but when stuff gets serious, especially when new people show up and ask questions like that, you know, everybody kind of locks in and we all help each other out. We got 11 people watching. Guys, hit the like button. Appreciate you all for being here. What should we look at? Bitcoin's above our blue line. Very exciting. This does look like a W. I don't know what that means. Also, we've been discussing harmonics recently. This looks like a harmonic pattern as well. But I would love to see it maybe do this one more time and then go up. Let's actually look. We have not looked at the liquidation heat map yet. Let's go take a look at that and put our liquidation points on the chart. For the 4 hour. Zoom in. Guys, I think we are bull flagging out as well on the 4 hour. Kind of doing exactly what we did here. Look at this. We went up, came back down, got some funky candles, and went up some more. We went up, came back down, got some funky candles. About to go up some more. Dreamtanks TV said, "What do you think about Dogecoin?" Dreamtanks, we just looked at Doge. We really like it. So it was kind of a little slumpy, and out of nowhere, it shot back up and broke back above its shorter term trend line, which is incredibly bullish. Dogecoin has staying power. Elon likes it. I don't think that they have any inflation rate, which is great. I like it. I like Doge personally. I think it's a great meme. Juice Chuck said, "It's a meme coin, not that special." The meme coin Bitcoin said, "I have enough money, so I look into crypto that is emerging." Okay, so you're talking about Harry Potter Obama Sonic Inu? Hop said, "Number 1 rule, buy on the red days, not the green." The Heat said, "Doge would love to see it in 30-cent range tops." Dreamtanks TV said, "I've been in Dogecoin since 200025. That's amazing, dude. That's sick. 0025. So you're up significantly. That's awesome. That's what we like to see. Congratulations, man. Let's see. Let's see what we see. One day. So there is slight bearish div on Doge on the daily. But it is a meme coin as well, so, you know. But it's a higher cap meme coin. And Bitcoin's turning bullish, so do with this what you will. It's very faint, but it is in the charts. Gotta make your own decisions based on the information presented. But yeah, it had this little trend, and it looked like it was going to come back down and touch it one more time. But it broke below this, like, really hard, and then it immediately just ate that right back up, like nothing ever happened. Which is a total liquidity grab. It did the same thing back here. Came down, ate that right back up, came down, and now it's doing it again. It keeps doing that. Just keeps grabbing liquidity down below. Like it's no one's business. Interesting. Yeah, when Doge moves, it moves hard. How much did you earn? How about the stream tanks? Tell us the percentage. Tell us what percentage you've made so far, or how many X. You don't have to give us a dollar amount. I could actually measure it. You said 0.0025. Let's go measure that. Oh my gosh, it's like not even on the... It's not even on the Binance chart. That's crazy. Or Bingx, my bad. 0025. Let's see if we can pull it up here. 0025. We'll go from here. 0026. It is currently up 4,828%. That's awesome. What is that, a 48x? I don't even know what multiple that is. That's just 4,000%. That's sick, dude. That's so badass. Congratulations. Love to see it. Yeah, the liquidity plays out very similar. It just gets more and more intense as time goes on. Guys, thank you for joining. Hit the like button on your way in. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you would like to join the community, the Discord link is in the description. Don't forget to like the stream and sub. Exactly. 48x just about. That's fucking awesome, dude. Hell yeah. We'll buy when low. Of course. Of course. Guys, we got a chai latte. It's delicious. I'm getting amped up. There's a lot of caffeine in it. I brewed it for like 5 minutes. So we're probably looking at a decent stream today. Let's see. Bitcoin dominance still pumping. This is on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. Yep. I would love to see this M form M. But we'll see. We'll see. Total 3. Total 3 is literally following the lines that I drew, which is kind of blowing my mind, guys. I'm never this accurate. This has never happened before. Doing the live streams has like made me, I guess, better at TA. There's also bullish div on total 3. Right here, RSI is going down, price is going up. So total 3 is the entire crypto market cap, excluding ETH and Bitcoin. Hopefully that means that Bitcoin dominance is gonna take a nosedive, and we're gonna get some moon alts. We got 15 people watching, guys. That's amazing. Hit the like button. Show some coins in the chat. Regular coins, meme coins, it don't matter. I don't care if I have to go to Dex Screener. It doesn't matter to us. We don't discriminate. We like all coins, even if they're dumb. Like PP. we might prefer the dumb ones, actually. Let's see. And we do occasionally do TA on meme coins as well. Yeah, PP looks good. All right. Oh yeah, liquidation heat map. That's right. Let's refresh. Dave said channel is growing. Absolutely. It is growing tremendously. We're very excited. Appreciate you guys for being here. If you can, feel free to shill the live stream. Let's see, we got a liquidation down at 66.8, and then 66.5, and then 66.4. So we'll go mark those. 66.8. 66.5. 66.4. So those are our bigger liquidation points below. And then above, we got 67.6, 67.7, and 67.9. 67.679. So we'll go 6, 7, and 9. So these are our liquidation points. The ones above are closer than the ones below. The closest one below is at 66,802, which is down here, which we've wicked into. So I would not be alarmed if we wick into that again. The bullish structure is still holding up. We're still looking good. What I would like to see is just a continuation to the upside. But if it chops sideways for the next couple of days, even I'm okay with that as well. We'll get rid of these ones. These are older from yesterday, I think. For anyone that's new here, guys, I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to show you. This is our dirty Bitcoin chart. We've been kind of putting everything from everyone in the chat on this chart. We had trend lines that we were watching that Bitcoin like perfectly bounced in between. We had areas of interest, areas of confluence that acted as resistance or support in certain areas. We had a bull fractal and a bear fractal. The clean chart has the bear fractal. The bear fractal is currently losing. The bull fractal looks great. We did move both fractals. And then up here, I do want to point out these lines up here. So the Bitcoin archive, which is just a crypto Twitter personality, tweeted out at the time of their tweet, whatever the price was, the average returns of Bitcoin in October, November, and December. And according to those average returns, based on the price at the time of the tweet, the targets are as follows. October, 80,500. November, 89,300. December, 106,700. And that is solely based on the idea that every October we get like, let me do the math, 33% gains on average. November, 11% on average. December, 19% on average. And that's me just kind of explaining it. I don't know if those numbers are entirely accurate, but that's the concept. And those price targets are based on the price of Bitcoin at the time of the tweet and the actual average returns for October, November, December, calculated based on all previous October, November, and Decembers. There is a prevailing trend in the RSI that I'm just now seeing as well. I would not... Oof, imagine if it came down here. Hit that one more time. It's possible. It's very possible. There was bullish dip, though. Look at this. Price went down and RSI was going up. That's exciting. So that must have been what we needed to continue to the upside. RSI reset. Very cool. Let's take a look at the chat. Peter Dell, good day, JJ. How's trading? Peter Dell, trading's kind of meh. We haven't really reallocated our funds in our Memecoin portfolio. We bought a little bit of PP yesterday, and it is up and it's starting to pump as well, which is exciting. This was just kind of the only one. Like, we still have our moon bags for Dark Magician Girl and Popo, and RAR is our investment that we're watching, the big one, which is only $10, but still, meme coins, we're just playing with them. Popo and Used Car, Flying Spaghetti Monster, and Dark Magician Girl. These are all just moon bags left over. We made money on these and sold. We kind of pretty much almost made an entire soul. We put some money into PP from it, RAR, and we're looking good. We're looking real good. But we have not reallocated those funds yet. Tomorrow we are going to do ETH DCA. So look forward to that. He said, did you see Radium is doing okay? Let's go take a look at Radium. For Peter Dell. Radium, let's go to OKX. Sure. Ooh, this is doing really good. I might have to get some of this. Looks like the inverse head and shoulders is playing out. And let's see, was there bullish div? I think there was also bullish div. It was down here, but it was still there. Yeah, there was bullish div. So from here to here, price went up. Hang on. Here to here, price went up, and RSI went down. very faint, but it is there. And this is probably playing out, this 5%, this 3%. And then, I believe, also right next to it, from here to here, price went down and RSI went up, which is the opposite. One of them is regular divergence, the other one's hidden. I'm not sure which is which, but bullish divergence, hidden or otherwise, is bullish divergence. So it should result in some upside, and that is exactly what's happening, which is pretty sick. I'm not saying this plays out every single time. I'm just pointing it out. Might have to get some radium, for sure. Let's see. Hops retracted something. Drew said, "Hey gang, I can't listen now, but still talk shit." The Heat said, "Sounds good." Hop said, "Can you look at Myra?" And Peter Dell said, "The only meme coins I hold are Popcat and Punk." Peter Dell, I like those. I like those choices. Hop said, Myra. Let's see. Gate. Oh, okay. I'm just going to go. I'm going to assume it's on Deck Screener. Are you talking about the Soul, the 9-month-old Soul dog thing? Let me know. We'll look at this anyways while we wait for you to respond. It's just a little schnauzer. We used to have one. They're nice dogs. I like them. Allegedly, they're actually mean, but ours was lovely. Some of my old memes waking up. Puffs, it's the Memecoins super cycle, man. Also, I would like to point out, we were talking about specifically Litecoin yesterday. And we were using this as the example for why it's probably not a good idea to sell your high cap dino coins. Because when you do that, these coins still move. Like, you obviously don't want to hold them through a bear because they suck ass against Bitcoin. But there's a prevailing uptrend here. And it's starting to move up. Everyone's freaking out. Why is Litecoin up? It's up 11% today. Or on the week, I'm sorry. It's up 11% on the week. We'll go to the daily. Okay, the daily it was up 4%, but it's pumping, guys. That's the point. Like, if you fade these coins, they're supposed to be more risk off, like less risky. It's up 18% from that trend line. So, I mean, there's a plus and minus to everything. Let's go look at Myra. Is this the right Myra? Yes. Okay. Drew said, "Hit the like." Peter Dow said, "What time do you have over there?" Here in Melbourne, Australia, it's 11:23 a.m. Friday, just before lunchtime. Seems like we in Australia are in the future. You guys are in the future, both literally and figuratively, and technologically, as far as I'm concerned. It is 8:25 p.m. on Thursday night in Michigan, which is Eastern Standard Time. Gee, I love watching. Okay, let's look at Myra. For Hoffs. Thing's got a funky... I guess I'm on the 15-minute. Let me go to the 4-hour. I like the 4-hour better. There's bullish stiff immediately. Price going up. RSI going down. See it? Bullish div playing out right now. This is a 14, 5, and 4. So 24% gain just off that bullish div trade. The second this showed up in the chart, we could have bought this 30%. I'm sorry, 30% trade. Very cool, very nice. $1.3 million market cap. Decent amount of liquidity locked. Love to see it. Myra looks like a decent play. Do they have a Twitter? Philly said, "Dudes, what's up, Philly?" Peter Dell said, "Do you follow the Detroit Pistons in the NBA?" Not closely, no, but I know of them. My uncles were actually at the Palace Brawl with the Pistons, and I'm not even fucking joking. So many people got huge payouts from this. because a bunch of people got hurt. My uncles were here at this game and they left early to beat like the traffic from people leaving. They left early. They heard the news later and they were like, "Fuck. We could have made so much money." So, it was pretty funny. It was one of those situations. But yeah, my two uncles went to this game where this huge brawl happened. A bunch of fans got in like a fist fight with the players, which I don't know why you would ever try to fight these dudes. They're like fucking 40 feet tall. Like their reach alone, they're gonna be able to knock you out before you can even like realize that they're close to you. Myra, let's continue to look at Myra really quick for hops. Daily, there's nothing crazy on the daily. There's bearish div, but it's very faint. You'd have to wait until this next daily close, I guess, to confirm it. But there's bearish div on the daily as well. And again, this is a meme coin. I do also see inverse head and shoulders. Billy said, JJ, talking to the mic, bro, please. Drew. Just had fun, yo. What's up? Just had fun. Hop said, oh my gosh, your uncles. Oh no. Billy, I gotta buy this stupid thing. I gotta buy this thing so that I can put the mic in my mouth so that you guys can freaking hear me. I gotta get the one that's made for my mic specifically, though. Unless there is a little screw hole in the bottom, I guess I could just screw it to anything. Peter Dow. JJ, have you ever seen Australian rules football? It's a great game. I have not. Australian rules football. Primary methods are kicking, handballing, and running with the ball. Is that not soccer? Oh, it's different. There's a different... Whoa. What is this? The round field is crazy. That's kind of awesome. So it's shaped like an egg. So it's like... It reminds me of basketball. And hockey, actually. Let's see if there's any videos. Let me... Can I mute this tab? No. Alright, just really quick, let's watch a clip. Whoa! I mean, it looks like fun. It really looks like fun. Look at that guy, the way that he pointed. Oh, shit. What are you doing in my shirt, bro? Get your hands off me. Oh! Fucking landed on his head. What is going on? Did they die? People don't pay attention, man. Why do they just fall over as soon as they get the ball? Are they allowed to keep doing stuff? I'm confused. So do they have to kick it into the goal? This is very interesting. Maybe we should do an Australian fantasy league. That'd be kind of fun. Philly said, JJ, get a Joe Rogan boom. Does he have his own branded boom? That'd be kind of weird. Is Australian football rugby? No, it looks like some kind of funky alternative. We got 17 people watching, guys. Make sure you hit the like button. I appreciate you all for being here. I think that might be our highest concurrent viewers on live stream so far. You guys are legends. Let's go take a look at Bitcoin again. Bitcoin kind of coming down, which is okay. So far, we're just kind of estimating that it's going to dance around in these ranges. The green lines on the chart are the liquidation points based on the liquidation heat map. Let me go refresh really quick and see if there's anything new on that. Oh yeah, I do got to brag about this really quick as well. the total 3, I made a guess like 2-3 days ago of what's going to happen with the price action, and it was the same time this giant wick was happening, so I was like, oh, I bet you it's going to be invalidated already. But it seems to be playing out perfectly. ETH is doing something similar. So we're watching both of these green lines. We're probably going to leave them on the chart for at least a couple of days until it like invalidates hard. But I'm kind of excited because it's playing out almost exactly as I drew it, which is kind of badass. Not to toot my own horn. Hoff said, what is with the sports in Australia? They have like no equipment on. It must be Concussion City. Hoffs, I'm pretty sure Australian people are just like hardy as fuck. Have you seen like the animals and bugs that they have there? Everything there can kill the shit out of you. Like, in order to be born and live in Australia, you have to be a badass. Dream Tanks TV. Dogecoin is pumping. Let's go Dogecoin. Let's go take a look at Dogecoin really quick for Dreams Tank TV. Dogecoin is pumping. It's up 3.8%, 3.18%, I'm sorry, on the day. That's pretty sick. Oh no, this is the 4-hour, which is the daily. My bad. Because we just had a daily candle close at 8 p.m. Doge is pumping, guys. Doge is pumping. Memes are pumping. Memes in general. Let's go see Snek. Snek was up significantly yesterday. This is an ADA meme. We like Snek. Highly recommend taking a look at it. But hell yeah. Congratulations on your Dogecoin pump. Really quick, Hops said, now 49x, right? Philly driver, JJ, don't get bored streaming. Even Jordan started off in only double-digit watchers. A year later, he grew. Philly, I've been having the time of my life. It doesn't matter if there's 0 people in here. I've been loving it. It's like, it's helping me trade even. So I don't think I'm going to get bored anytime soon. Peter Dell said, Australian footy and rugby is more harder and harder hits than American football. Yet you guys wear pads. I reckon toughen up, princess. Our guys are tough. Peter Dell's talking shit. I fucking love it. Peter Dell, I'm not a sports guy. And if I am, it's hockey. And in hockey, they fist fight. I just recently started getting into football because Hoffs invited me to play fantasy. And I whooped his ass. And I will say, every single player that was supposed to be like the next big thing got injured and is now out. I don't know what they did. If they farted too hard or something, they're constipated, their ankles twisted because the cleats are like fucking high heels. They're all injured. They get paid millions of dollars, they get injured, and then they get to fucking sit out for the rest of the season. It pisses me off. I got first pick, and I picked the star child, Christian McCaffrey, and I don't even think he played one game. He got injured at practice or something. It was fucking lame. So I agree with you. Australians go harder than Americans. Let's fucking go. Bitcoin's doing a whole lot of nothing. Hops. Billy said, Hops, 15 years ago, I stayed at a hostel with a group of rugby players. There's no safety equipment. They were bruised up. It's totally a man sport. Billy, I bet you they were on hella painkillers. Peter Dell said, hockey. It's cool. It's hard. I love hockey, man. I grew up playing hockey. I don't think I can play anymore, but I can fucking skate. I can skate like a badass motherfucker. I do enjoy rollerblading as well. But they don't let them fight in hockey anymore. They break it up like immediately. They used to let them fight. I think they should bring it back. It was like 2 sports in one. You got hockey and you got boxing. And now it's just hockey. So it's like they kind of took away half the sport as far as I'm concerned. Let's go down to the 15 minutes, see if there's anything happening in the charts. Nothing crazy. I'm looking at a W formation right now. Maybe it'll be a triple bottom. Liquidation heat map. Let's get our update. We got 67,584 and 66,8. 584 right there. I'll leave it right there. Okay, so those are our liquidation points. Let's see if there's any kind of divergence or anything on any of these time frames. So the price closed lower there and the RSI. Okay, so there is bullish div on the 1 hour. If we go on the candle bodies instead of the wicks, which Google says you're supposed to do, candle bodies closed lower and the RSI is higher. Let me get really zoomed in here so we could really see this. The RSI is higher. So there's very, very slight, very faint bullish div on the 1 hour. And I don't know when that is considered played out. We did get a pump right here of almost 1%. I would say that that's not played out. So let's see if that does anything. Let's see if that turns into anything. Let's go on a higher time frame, see if we can catch anything else. 2 hour. Bullish div. Nope. No bullish div on the 2 hour. No bearish div either. 3 hour. Ooh. Uh-oh. There is bullish div on the 3 hour as well. So we got bullish div on the 1 hour and the 3 hour. Price going up. RSI going down. Bullish div on the 1 hour and the 3 hour. Let's check the 4 hour. Really quick, let me check the chats. Peter Delt said, my favorite hockey player was Gretzky. Billy said, no sport is a man's sport until you end the game with pushed out eye sockets. What the fuck, Billy? Jazz said, let's hit those likes, guys. Yeah, guys, hit the like button. Hop said, imagine staying in a hostel with a Philly driver, LOL. Billy said, Hops, bro, I'm a pretty cool dude. Peter Dell said, my strategy is in December when it will be one of the blow-up tops. I'm selling half my crypto portfolio and buying back in January when there is a small correction. Peter Dell, I like that you have a plan. I like that you're planning on sticking with it. That sounds like a good idea. There is no bullish div in the 4 hour chart. At least not up here. Down here, though, there is larger bullish div right here, guys. Check this out. This is actually sick. Look at this. RSI is going down while the price went up. There is huge bullish div on the 4 hour chart for Bitcoin. That's what we like to see. Let's get this pump, guys. Let's fucking go. Excuse my language. I apologize if you have children in the room. I swear a lot. It's probably not a good idea to put me on while you got kids. Unless you're okay with your kids learning swear words. Jazz said, wahoo, 120 subs. Jazz, yep, we got a 20% increase in the last 2 days. We got 19 people watching right now. You guys are legends. Hit the like button. There's only 13 likes. That means 6 of you have not hit the like button. What the hell? We got a chai latte. Bitcoin is dancing around our upper trend line. Let me zoom out and show you guys our chart really quick. This is our dirty Bitcoin chart. We got a little bit of everything on this chart, including the bull fractal. The bull fractal originally started out back here. We saw the W forming, and we moved it right here. And so far, it's playing out very closely. It's just an idea. It's not a foolproof plan. Just an idea that we put in the charts and we're watching. There's bullish div on the 1 hour, the 3 hour, and the 4 hour on Bitcoin. Currently just dancing around that upper trend line, which is a longer term trend line, which also, incidentally, on, I believe, the weekly, is a bull flag. And the target is number go up. I don't know what the target is for the bull flag, but we do have a target for, I believe, a big inverse head and shoulders on the 4 hour. Yeah, so the target for this, let me show you. And this is also another situation where we see the pattern, so we put it on the chart, and the neckline breakout is our blue trend line. So if we can solidify this breakout, the target for this concept, and again, this doesn't always play out, so technical analysis is technical analysis and not technical fact. The target, though, is around 77,700. Billy said, Jazzy, hey girly. Billy also said, JJ, crazy thought. If this is meme season, have Bitcoin and alt season peaked already? Billy, I don't think so. I think Bitcoin, I don't even think Bitcoin, and this is just my opinion. Don't trade based on what I say. I don't think Bitcoin has even entered its bull market yet. I think we're waiting until 2025. Maybe this quarter it'll start. But if you think about it, BlackRock just started buying. Why would BlackRock buy the top? Like, if it was anyone else, I'd be like, sure, you know, MicroStrategy, he's just FOMOing into Bitcoin for forever. But BlackRock, they like rule the whole entire planet. I don't think Bitcoin's bull run has started. I don't think alt season has started. I think Memecoins super cycle, the concept of that, based on the article that we read, is just that meme coins are going to go crazy forever, which is possible. Which means the entire landscape of a bull market would change. Like, meme coins would kind of be their own thing. There would be the stock market, there would be cryptocurrency, and then there would be meme coins. Meme coins would do their own thing. The stock market would do its thing that it's always done. And crypto would just, hopefully, probably just stick with its 4-year cycle. That's just my speculation. Guys, we got 18 people watching. I think it was over 20 for a second there. Hit the like button, please. Appreciate you guys for being here. You're all legends. We're watching Bitcoin. Nothing's really happening, but that's okay. Let's see. Peter Dell said, yes, Australia's kangaroo population does outnumber its human population. Really? As of 2023, it is estimated that there are around 50 million kangaroos in Australia, while the human population is 26 million. Peter, kangaroos freak me out. I didn't realize that they were insanely buff. Why? Why are they buff? I saw something and it was like, kangaroo is just like a buff. I don't remember. It was something funny. It was like, kangaroos are just a deer on crack with no antlers. And I was like, oh shit. They do kind of look like deer. They always look like they're like eyeballing you. Like trying to size you up for a fight. And then they got claws on their back feet. And the fact that they can like stand up on their tail. Everything about them is crazy to me. I swear, Australia, like, if the conspiracy of the world being hollow and there being like societies, whole civilizations living inside of the planet, if that's real, there's got to be an opening in Australia. Because there's there's animals in Australia that look like nothing else on the rest of the planet. Like, everywhere has deer and stuff, and then Australia just has like kangaroos and like tapirs and like all these crazy animals. It's awesome. It's crazy. Australia itself is like a cryptid hotspot. Drew said, "What's up, Jazz? I'm just making sure Philly isn't his usual bully self." Philly said, "Drew, oh come on, bully." Philly's a nice guy when he wants to be. I told you, Philly, you're a little bit unhinged, but so am I. We all are. We got 16 people watching, guys. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. I'm probably showing the like button a little too much. We should just name the episode Hit the Like Button. That'd be kind of funny. Maybe we'll do a hit the like button stream. For anyone that is new here, guys, either tomorrow or Saturday, probably tomorrow, we are going to be streaming Off the Grid, which is the first, in my opinion, AAA blockchain game. It is built on a Avalanche sidechain called Guns. It is available on PlayStation 5, Xbox, and PC. We're going to be playing it on the PC. I believe it's in early access right now. It's supposed to be like a PvP shooter or a battle royale game. I think it's also an extraction shooter. And I looked into it. The concept is that you earn points when extracting successfully, and if you win a match, like for every action in game, you earn points, and you can trade those points for the NFTs. They will not be charging for the NFTs at all whatsoever. However, you will be able to sell the NFTs on the secondary market if you want to, and they'll be in your wallet. And that's kind of their form of microtransactions. It's entirely optional. You can earn them while playing the game. You do not have to pay. It's not pay to win. You don't have to pay to play. It's free to play. You don't have to buy the NFTs. You just play the game and you'll get the NFTs, or you can do whatever you want with them. But if you don't want anything to do with crypto, you can still play the game and enjoy the game and have just as much advantage or disadvantage as the guy that's trying to trade the NFTs in secondary market and all that stuff. Let's see. Look at the chat. Dave said, we have grizzly bears up here in Canada. I would fear that more than a kangaroo. Dave, what if grizzly bears and kangaroos like combined? Imagine a grizzly bear sized kangaroo with like the top half being a bear and the bottom half being a kangaroo. Imagine that. I saw that scene in The Revenant. That shit's crazy. Also, playing Red Dead, getting mauled by the bear is also terrifying. I don't think I've ever actually seen a bear in real life in the wild. I've seen them at the zoo. But yeah, we're super hyped for this game. Make sure you guys show up for the live stream for this. It's gonna be a fun time. I do not do well in shooters, so it's definitely gonna be a learning curve. I'm gonna be tripping up, falling all over the place, probably getting my ass handed to me. But it should be fun. It should be a fun time. The trailer for this, like, hyped me up so hard for this game. It looks like so much fun. And apparently it's super popular. Like, people are playing it like crazy. It's definitely putting blockchain gaming back on the map. But yeah, I think we're pretty much covered everything for the day. Bitcoin's doing a whole lot of nothing, which we expected. We said it was going to come up. We're probably going to watch it dance around on this trend line for a couple of days, and then hopefully it breaks to the upside. My estimate was Thursday, but it doesn't look like we're going to get that, so we'll see what happens. Total 3 is doing a whole lot of nothing. Memecoins, let's go check up our Memecoins really quick. We got Popo doing a little bit of nothing. Let's look at Cheeseball. Cheeseball is still kind of doing its little pullback thing. $9 million market cap. My fish are out. Lock in. So we're expecting a pullback from this. Still even more. Bath said 90% pullbacks are like a regular occurrence in meme coins, which kind of helped us take profit. Dark Magician Girl, pullback. Love to see it. XD RAR, pullback. That's okay. We'll survive. Used car, pullback. Again, we'll survive. Klaus, we looked at that earlier. Apu is up 13% in the last 24 hours, 17% in the last 6 hours. PP is up. Okay, let's just open these up. I think that's it. Okay. PP is coming back up. Love to see it. Church of Flying Spaghetti Monster. Guys, this one's cool. We bought this without knowing this, and I learned it later, so I'm trying to spread the gospel. Once they hit a $1 million market cap, they donated 100 spaghetti dinners to I believe the San Diego Food Bank, something like that. So I thought that was kind of cool, because since when do meme coins do charity? Guys, I'm gonna give you guys a challenge for the weekend. Do something charitable. Give to a local homeless shelter, an animal shelter, even let me see. The one that I like to donate to is Best Friends Animal Society. Forewarning though, if you donate to them, they will mail you stuff that will make you feel bad and donate even more. I'm not even going to click on the website. But bunch of cute animals. We don't deserve them. They don't deserve to be mistreated. Give them money. Be charitable. That's my challenge for you guys this weekend. Splo's got bullish div. We're excited for this one. See if it goes up or if it rugs. Peter Dell said, come to Australia and see how good it is. Billy said, Drew, damn, you got me, man. We got 15 people watching, guys. I appreciate you guys for being here. See if we can get that like button up as high as we can possibly go for this stream. We are at 120 subs. You guys are legends. Let's go back to Bitcoin. I'm going to show off my little graphic really quick. I got to update it. Let's see. We were at 118 when we started, and we are at 120 now. We got 16 people watching, guys. Face reveal goal option 1. I gotta update that and make sure that it says the right thing. So that's supposed to be 120. Let me go do that really quick. Okay, so that should update. Billy said, Peter, not a joke, but do they eat kangaroo there? That is actually very interesting since the population is so high. It would be efficient, I guess I should say. I don't know if it's unethical though. Let me do this. Okay, hide that back again. Yeah. Bitcoin's pulling back, which is fine. We'll wait for this or we'll see what this does at midnight for the 4-hour candle close. But the daily looks good. Happy with it. Peter said, yes, they do eat kangaroo. Really? That's very interesting. Is it like a delicacy or is it just normal? Is it frowned upon by some people? Is there people that are like, oh, you eat kangaroo? The anti-kangaroo people. Guys, let's see if we can find some new memes, maybe. Rocco, that's fun. Basilisk, ooh. Sort by volume. Goat, Forest. Forest is new. 2 days? Okay. Let's see if we can find something that's over a day old. 3 days. Medusa, we saw that one. It's up 43% in the last 6 hours. Very cool. 5 hours. FU. Or foo, I guess, my bad. 8 hours, 2 days. G, Mika. 6 months, Michi. Okay. 1 month, think about it. Ooh, this one probably, yeah, it's up 1100%. Damn. Solana, 6,900. 7 hours old. 8 months, Dolan Duck. Dang, there's some old memes that are popping up out of nowhere. 3 days, 1 month, Jerry. Everybody loves Jerry. Starting Robot, 10 days old. 3 months old, Sigma. Dang, we were looking at this the other day too. 7 months old, Apu. Okay, I'm happy with that. Oh, 27 days. What's this one? Manu. Okay, all right, let's go see what we got. Think about it. Dang, this thing blew up. What did it blow up? 1,872%. It's still up 1,100%. Wow. Imagine being the guys that were still buying down here. Absolute legends. $182,000 market cap. $1.3 million market cap. I'm sorry. $182,000 liquidity. Always a good meme. Sigma. We were looking at this the other day. It was probably back here. So it's about the same. I do like it though. I'm going to add it. Guys, oh, it's a $63 million market cap. Am I crazy for not adding it because it's super high? I'm not going to do it. I'm going to stick with my rules. I like my stupid my micro caps. But yeah, that's it, guys. I think we're probably going to call it. We've been going for 103 minutes. We got 13 people watching, guys. Hit the like button. I appreciate you all for being here. You guys are all legends. Let me read the chat really quick. Ooh, we got 14 likes. Oh, yeah. Billy said, Drew, I swear don't make me find you in the side of the mountain. Some people eat crocodile. Me too. I do know about crocodile. Peter said, JJ, do you have Matra Om in your watch list? I believe I do. Let me go check. I do. Here we are. Yeah, you had us look at this the other day. It's just kind of an uptrend. Daily. Let me pull up the RSI. Yeah. Oh, I pulled it up twice. My bad. Yeah, nothing alarming. Let's go look at the 4-hour. Maybe there will be more. There's bullish div. There you go. There's your bullish div on the 4-hour. Price go up. RSI go down. Best defense, no be there. Have you guys seen Cobra Kai? I fucking love that show. Johnny's like my spirit animal. I'm gonna do. I always forget the movie suggestions and stuff like that. Really quick, Fahid said, "What's the minimum max market for memes for you?" Honestly, Fahid, probably around like 150 million market cap. Because after that, I feel like it takes a lot of money to move it, and I might be sitting around for a couple of days, and maybe it's just I don't know. My once it gets over 100 million, I feel like it's more of like a regular crypto project. That's pretty much it. I have no other justification for it. It's literally just that. I wanted to go to. This is the suggestion for today, Fear Street. It is a 3-part series on Netflix. Watch all 3. They're really good. Totally flew under the radar. Highly recommend. Check it out, especially in the spirit of Halloween. If you watch all 3 in one sitting, it's like a full day, but it's totally worth it. Definitely check it out. It came out of nowhere, and me and my family sat down and watched all 3, and we were blown away. It was really good. But yeah, Bitcoin's doing nothing. So probably gonna call it a stream, guys. Appreciate you all for being here. Hit the like button on your way out. Don't forget, either tomorrow or Saturday, we're going to be streaming off the grid. If anything happens crazy in the charts, I will hop back on for an emergency stream. Otherwise, join the Discord. I'll be hanging out in there. Thank you guys for joining me on this lovely Thursday evening. I'll see y'all tomorrow or later today. Happy Thursday. Good night.